Final day of this counter club / 500 miles in a month challenge. Day number 31, run number 1, 18 miles. Proof right here. And I am in the zone. It's game time. Everything is heavy. And I am just focused on that next step. One step at a time. Session number 2 for the day done. 13 miles, proof right here. And I can't believe it. I can't believe I am done with this challenge. 500 miles. Done. I ran, I jogged, I walked. Now I'm officially done. 500 miles in the books. And the last mile, I completely walked it. I took my headphones out and I wanted to take it all in, enjoy it, and it was fun. It's been a really fun month, and I can honestly say that this month was a lot of fun. A lot of ups, a lot of downs. Not so many downs, a few downs. But I got through it, I pushed through it. I focused on one step at a time. And that's all I really was doing, just trying to focus on one step and that next step. And I got through it. I'm so happy that I completed this. This wasn't necessarily the hardest physical challenge that I've ever done, but I think it's up there, and I'm just glad that it's over, and I'm glad that I did it, and I'm glad that you all were there to take part in it, because I honestly felt that with my YouTube community, you all were there each and every step of the way. So thank you. And I honestly couldn't have done it without you all. I still can't believe I did that. Woo! Woo! Yes. Yes. It's just a whirlwind of emotions right now. I'm going to watch The Umbrella Academy Season 2. And actually, that last mile, I was craving a Jones soda. So I'm going to go to 7-Eleven. I'm going to get a Jones soda. And today's video is going to be short. It's going to be nothing but this clip right here and the clip before this. And I will do a recap of the month of the 500 miles in a video tomorrow to recap the whole month of what inspired me to do it, what it was, my nutrition plan, my execution, and just everything about this challenge. So expect that tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And how do you walk, run, jog 500 miles in a month? One step at a time. Let's go.